welcome to Anju Risa channel. I'm Trisa and you can call me Risa. And today we are going to make this hair bow with this tortoise shape. Prepare the fabric. Here I use 2 pieces of fabric. This is about 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. And this part is about 22 centimeters by 18 centimeters. I will write the size below here in centimeters and inches. So that first I'm going to fold this fabric and then let us mark about 2 centimeters. I use water erasable marking pen and it can disappear if we wash it with water. Let me show you a cool trick. If I write this and then take some water, look, it disappears. This is very convenient. So I just mark the 2 centimeters here and draw it to the corner here. Do the same on the other fabric. Just fold it in half and then measure 2 centimeters here and 2 centimeters here. 2 centimeters is about half, 3/4 inch. Maybe I'm not used to inches measurement. We actually going to cut this part, but I will use this as the seam allowance, as the guide for my seam allowance, about 1/2 inches. So we are going to sew this part. And do the same to the other fabric. Remember to leave an opening right in the center here. And to make it easy, I will mark the center of the fabric. I will mark the center of the fabric so I know right away when to stop sewing to leave the opening. I will use the line here as the guide. It's about 1/2 inch seam allowance or 1/4 inch seam allowance. With the mark that I draw here, I know that I have to stop sewing and leave an opening and start sewing again from here. Like this. Remember to leave an opening right in the center of our fabric. And I'm going to cut this. Do the same thing, and remember when you reach the corner you must cut it like this, just to make the fabric less bulky. Turn the fabric right side out. If you ever feel that turning fabric is quite challenging, you can use some pointy stuff like pencil, or this is paintbrush. You can just push the corner and you can get a beautiful corner. Next, I'm going to take my pillow. This is actually a regular pillow that serves as an ironing board for me, and just press the fabric flat down. You know, pressing fabric is important if you want to sew something, and it makes our fabric, our project looks more professional. After this, I will mark the center of the fabric. You know, this is to make the fabric looks symmetrical on the left and the right side. So it has the same side. It has the same size on the left and the right side. After this, I will arrange the fabric like this. You can see the shape. This is the shorter part and longer part. Longer part and shorter part. I will arrange it like this, and it's about 2 centimeters here. Take the pin and sew this part. After sewing the center part, I don't cut the sewing thread and use the needle. I'm going to gather the fabric. Gather the fabric, tie it, and secure the bow. Next, I'm going to attach a hair tie or hair clip, and I think I will use hair clip for this bow. So just attach the clip with hot glue gun, of course, and we are going to make the centerpiece. I have 2 pieces of fabric here, and I have pressed the fabric before I show it to you. Just fold it to the center here, and I'm going to attach it like this and sew this part. Attach the centerpiece to the bow, and we are going to sew this part. Cut the excess fabric and flip the centerpiece. After turning the centerpiece, just add some glue in the center just to make the center bow stays in place. And our beautiful hair bow is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, please hit the dislike button and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!